in this opportunity, I will answer the questions of the homework. So the first one is to explain the difference between phonetics and phonology. Phonetics is the branch of linguistics that study the sounds of human speech. So whereas phonetics is the study of sounds that occur in language, phonology is the study of how these sounds are organized and how they function in language. So phonetics broadly deals with two aspects of human language, of human speech. The first one is perception, that is the way humans make sounds, and perception, that is the way in which speech is understood. Also, and in phonology, all productions are the same within the language phonemes inventory. Now we have the second question, that is to explain and exemplify the words phonemes and allophones. So what are phonemes? Phonemes are the meaningfully different sound units in a language. It means the smallest unit of sounds. And for this, we have these examples. We have the words pat and bat, that they differ in the first phoneme, that is P and B. We can see that they have the last two letters that are the same, but the first phoneme is the difference between them. These are the phonemes P and B. Also, we have the allophones. There are different ways to pronounce the phoneme on its environment in a word. And for this one, we have the phoneme T. We have the phoneme T. And also, we have the allophones. This has two allophones, the aspirated T and the unaspirated T. So we have two allophones. And for this one, I have two words. For example, for the aspirated sound, we have top, top. We have the aspirated sound T. And in this one, we have stop, stop. We have the no aspirated sound T. So these ones is the allophone. For the third question, we have to explain and exemplify minimal pairs, free variation, and complementary distribution. So we have the first one, minimal pairs. Minimal pairs that consist of two words that sound very similar, but they differ in meaning. They exhibit only one phonetic difference. And for that one, I have this word. We have sheep and sheep. These sound are long. This is the long sound, and this is the shorter sound. Sheep and sheep. We can difference this sound in both words. They sound almost similar, but they have different meanings. Sheep and sheep. Also, we have free variation, that in phonetics and phonology is an alternative pronunciation of a word or a phoneme in a word that doesn't affect the word's meaning. And for this definition, I have this word. We have pasta, but we have two different sounds. We have pasta and pasta. So we can notice the difference between these sounds, pasta and pasta. So even if they have different pronunciation, different sounds in pronunciations, they have the same meaning. And also, we have a complementary distribution. And for that one, we can say that the allophones of a phoneme occur in different phonetic environments, and that's why we call it complementary distribution. And for that one, I have these words, tap, step, and bat. So we have the aspirated T at in the initial position, that is top, top, the aspirated sound, and also we have step in the middle position, that is step, step, and the last one we have bat in the final position. So that is the complementary distribution, even if they sound different occur in different environments. So for the free variation, we can say that the allophones occurs in different environments, even if they are from the same phoneme, they are different sounds in a different environment. And we have the last questions, and it's the following. What are phonological rules used for? So linguists attempt to demonstrate that there is an order in linguistic phenomena, and that linguistic patterns are systematics. That's why using phonological rules is important, because in that way elements can be changed, removed, or added, and we can use this rule for that purposes. So this is all, and thank you.